I know your background includes a very strong moment in time surrounding modern art and contemporary art. And, I want to congratulate you. I know that you were a Fast Company finalist with regards to the Innovation by Design Award. And I have always felt that superior design is paramount to everything. If you have superior design, it really does create the strongest emotional connection between a product and the brand, and in turn has an impact commercially as well as has a significant impact with regards to brand building. So I want to tell you, I snuck into my daughter Damaris's room before the interview today, and I stole from her room, don't tell her, some of your
Our
amazing,
bag.
right? Totally designed. Like, is that Sloomoo on the front?
That is Sloomoo. So this is Sloomoo on our lid. And we came up with the name
I
from,
stole all of this from her.
I love that. Oh my God, I love it. We came up with a name from a social media trend that went viral in 2017. And people were saying, replace the vowels of your name with OO, and that's your slime name. So you're Mork, I'm Karoon, slime is Sloomoo. The minute we said Sloomoo, we were like, that's the brand, because our brand is ultimately about more than slime.
But how important is superior design to the brand? Like, if you focus on Sloomoo, like, okay, so I don't know what's going on here. I took it out, and I have. It looks like there are things in the.
There's charms in it that are representational of our world. Because everything that is at Sloomoo is the world. On the back of that charm, you'll see a QR code that goes to augmented reality Sloomoo. So you can play with Sloomoo.
This one right here?
Yeah. All of the charms have a QR code.
It's all over my desk now.
It comes out with white vinegar. So design, and so like the design is our IP. Like, we've invested in things that make the experience memorable, which is
this
what our
smells
slime.
Crazy.
It smells good, right? Is that watermelon or is that cherry?
Yeah. This is maybe I don't know. Maybe it's just Damaris's.
That DIY slime.
Yeah, it could be. But I also have this one, which is marshmallow twist sleigh slime.
Yes.
Right. But I'm too afraid to open it. I don't want to ruin her mojo.